So what you need to draw your eyebrow, you need a spoolie to comb out the brow hair. You need a flat brush to apply the concealer, and if you don't have this, you can apply a glue to make it actually flat at the edges. So you need I'm using the LA Girl concealer. You need your foundation. So let's go straight into it. So I'm first applying a powder to make the brow matte for the pencil application. So today I'm applying using my Davis number 3 eye pencil, and I'm following the exact shape of my brows. Because I highly advise you follow the exact shape of your brows, and you should take your time during this process. You go as slow as possible, drawing the outline of the brows first. Then you can start filling in from the outer corner. When you are going towards the inner corner, you can then use the lighter strokes, not as thick as the outer corner. You draw a hairline trance at this inner corner. Then you go back in with a spoolie to comb out your brow hairs again. And really concentrate on the front, since you don't want it to look boxy. You comb out the entire brows. You see the space that need more filling, you go back in with your pencil to fill it in again. So I'm now using that flat brush and the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the one I showed you, to clean the lower part of my brows. Guys, as you see how I'm holding my brush, I hold it like this first to first outline the brows. Then I now change the position to clean it all up. I then use the remainder of the concealer to apply on my lid area as my eyeshadow base. So after applying, I usually blend it in using my finger or my damp beauty sponge. I dab it in. So you can still use that brush, but you can wipe out the concealer so that you not transfer it to the front while cleaning the front of the brows. So for the front, I go in with my foundation shade. You can use a concealer that is your skin tone if you want to use a concealer. You try make the tip as tiny as possible. And guys, if you are drawing your brows, if you are learning how to draw your brows, I think we always have a good side and a bad side. You should use your bad side to practice, because if you perfect your bad side, it will be very easy for you to draw. Like there's this side that is always looking as if it's left-handed, and it's actually very difficult. You should practice with that side first. When you are good at that side, then you can use the other side that you are good at to draw, if you get my gist. So I go back in with a pencil to outline the brows again, since I usually want my brows to be crispy, no hair out in place. So I went into with my setting powder to set my brow bone area. Then the remaining of the foundation, I used and blend in between the brows, because sometimes applying foundation there is always actually very challenging after applying your eyeshadow. So guys, this is how I do my brows. Hope you learned something from today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is the beginning of a series. Next one will be eyeshadow.